Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel, The Great Sufi Saints. Today we will explore Ibn Arabi, the mystic who saw God in all things. The year is 1165. Imagine the sun-drenched landscapes of Andalusia, Spain. This is a land shimmering with intellectual and cultural brilliance. Here, in the vibrant city of Murcia, a child is born who will illuminate the world with his wisdom. His name is Muhyiddin Ibn Arabi. Even as a young boy, Ibn Arabi displays extraordinary intelligence and a deep spiritual yearning. Visions and mystical experiences color his childhood. The world whispers its secrets to him. It's clear that he is destined for something extraordinary. Ibn Arabi's early life is steeped in the rich intellectual heritage of Islamic Spain. He immerses himself in the study of the Quran, Islamic jurisprudence, and philosophy. But it is the mystical path of Sufism that truly captivates his soul. Drawn to the inner dimensions of Islam, he embarks on a lifelong quest for spiritual enlightenment. His journey will lead him across continents and through the deepest chambers of the human heart. Ibn Arabi's life becomes a pilgrimage, a quest for knowledge and divine connection. He travels extensively throughout the Islamic world, immersing himself in different cultures and engaging with scholars and mystics. He traverses the sands of North Africa, the bustling cities of the Middle East, and the sacred lands of Mecca and Medina. Along the way, he drinks deep from the wellsprings of Sufi tradition, studying with renowned masters and experiencing profound spiritual transformations. His travels are not merely geographical, they mirror an inner journey of self-discovery. He dives deep into the ocean of his own soul, confronting his limitations and embracing the vastness within. He meticulously records his insights and mystical experiences, leaving behind a treasure trove of writings that continue to inspire seekers of truth centuries later. Among his vast and influential body of work, one masterpiece stands out: the Meccan Revelations, al-Futuhat al-Makkiyah. This monumental work, comprising over 560 chapters, is considered the pinnacle of his spiritual insight. In its pages, Ibn Arabi explores the depths of Islamic thought, mysticism, and cosmology, revealing a profound vision of God's all-encompassing presence. At the heart of Ibn Arabi's teachings lies the concept of Wahdat al-Wujud, the unity of being. This is not merely an intellectual concept, but a lived reality for Ibn Arabi, a truth revealed through his intense spiritual practices and mystical experiences. Imagine gazing at a vast, boundless ocean. On the surface, you see countless waves, each distinct and separate. Yet beneath the surface, all the waves are part of one interconnected body of water. This, Ibn Arabi tells us, is a reflection of reality itself. It dissolves the illusion of separation and reveals the underlying unity that binds us all. Ibn Arabi's influence extends far beyond the realm of Islamic thought. His writings have resonated across cultures and centuries, sparking dialogue and inspiration among philosophers, theologians, and mystics from both East and West. Within the Islamic world, his teachings have had a profound impact on Sufi thought and practice. He is revered as a Sheikh al-Akbar, the greatest sheikh, and his works continue to be studied and contemplated by Sufi orders around the globe. But his influence stretches far beyond the borders of Islam. His writings have captivated Western thinkers, from Renaissance philosophers to modern-day scholars. His emphasis on the unity of being resonates with mystical traditions across cultures and faiths. In a world often divided by differences, Ibn Arabi's message of unity and interconnectedness is more relevant than ever. His works serve as a powerful reminder of the shared humanity that binds us all, regardless of our cultural or religious backgrounds. At the core of Ibn Arabi's teachings lies the Sufi Path, a journey of spiritual transformation leading to union with the divine. For Ibn Arabi, this path is paved with love, knowledge, and the purification of the heart. Love, in the Sufi tradition, is the essence of existence. It binds the universe, connecting the lover with the beloved. Knowledge is a profound, experiential knowing of the divine. It is gained through spiritual practice and God's grace. Purification of the heart involves self-examination and cultivating virtues. The ultimate goal is fana, the annihilation of the ego and union with the divine. Centuries after his passing, Ibn Arabi's legacy continues to shine brightly. His profound insights into the nature of reality, the divine, and the human condition continue to inspire and challenge seekers of truth across cultures and faiths. His writings are not relics of a bygone era, but living texts, pregnant with wisdom and relevance for our modern age. He reminds us that the universe is not a cold, indifferent void, but a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of divine love. He invites us to look beyond surface appearances and recognize the underlying unity that binds us all. In a world increasingly fragmented and divided, Ibn Arabi's message of unity and interconnectedness serves as a beacon of hope. His teachings offer a path toward greater understanding, compassion, and love, reminding us that we are all interconnected sparks of the divine. Ibn Arabi's journey began with a single step, a yearning for something more. His life and work stand as a testament to the transformative power of spiritual seeking. His story is an invitation to each of us, urging us to embark on our own inner explorations. The universe, as Ibn Arabi so eloquently revealed, is not a collection of distant objects, but a living mystery waiting to be unveiled. Within each of us lies the potential for profound connection, for experiencing the divine presence that permeates all things. Take that first step. Open your heart and mind to the possibility of a reality far grander and more interconnected than we can imagine. Explore the rich tapestry of Ibn Arabi's teachings. Allow his wisdom to illuminate your path and guide you towards the realization of your own true nature. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable.